Positive Day Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Yan. Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Doon sa first time tayo mapanood sa ating video, thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Click mo na yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. And doon sa mga lagi naman tayo napapanood, doon sa mga nag-aabang sa atin sa mga videos natin, thank you very much. Doon sa mga hindi natutulog hanggang di tayo napapanood. That's why we daily vlog tayo. So, thank you very much sa inyo lahat. Okay, so 2 days from now, okay, this Thursday, Angel, no? So Thursday, meron po tayong seminar, team building. Ang title nila is Facing the Challenges of the Millennium, so, or the Challenges of Our Future. So, paano ba natin talaga, paano ba tayo harap sa ang daming challenge ahead of us? So, there are many tips, pero unahan ko na, so bago pa marinig ng aking audience this Thursday, i-discuss ko na yung isa, how to face the challenges of our times, of our future. Number one is, of course, to handle our finances properly. Sabi nga po ni Bill Gates, if you were born poor, it's not your fault. But if you will die poor, that's your fault. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kung at present we are poor, it's not our problem. Pero if you will be retiring, if you are working, if you will be retiring and you are still poor, there's something wrong. Diba? So, like kung sinasabi sa aking mga seminars, do not retire old and poor. So, do not retire poor. So, paano ba yan? Ano ba yung gagawin natin? Ma'am G, ano ba ang gagawin ko para hindi ako manatiling mahirap? Para, I will be, I can buy my things that I need and I live a life na sinabi sa Bible. Remember, sabi po sa Bible, John 10:10, tayo mabuhay, you live, enjoy the abundance of life, di ba? So, hindi mo pinagbawal ng Panginoon na yumaman tayo. So, pwede tayong magiging mayaman. So, ano ba yung mga financial formula na pwede natin gawin? There are 5. There are 5 formulas na gusto kong ibigay sa inyo to, for guides or 4 tips. Number 1, of course, let's go back to the Bible, the biblical formula. That is the 10%. Ano ba yung 10%? 10% and 90%. 10%, hindi pa rin nababago ang rule, dapat nagtatides pa rin tayo, nagbabalik tayo sa Panginoon. So, although you are saving, do not forget the 10%. So, para sa Panginoon talaga yan eh. Then the 90%, the rest you can do everything you want. Anything you want, okay? So, that's the first principle. Huwag tayong lalayo doon. The 10% and the 90% rule. It's biblical, okay? Second naman, ito ginamit ko kasi siya from Bo Sanchez, the 100, 10, 20, 70 formula. So, ano ba yung 100? Ito yung 100% na kitain natin. Sabi ni Bo, what you are receiving right now, kung hindi mo pa nagagamit talaga yung potential mo, yung interest mo, hindi mo pa nako-convert into income, hindi mo pa nakukuha yung 100%. For example, you are employed right now, so you are receiving 30,000, 40,000. Kahit na malaki na yan, sa tingin mo, kung hindi ka pa na ma-maximize, o hindi pa na ma-maximize potential mo, hindi mo pa nagagamit lahat ng gifts mo, lahat ng yung kaya mong gawin, it's not yet 100%. So, yung 100%, yung kaya mo siyang kitain, yung maximum na pwede mong kunin. So, like, kung meron kang work, so pwede kang mag-side job, di ba? Kung ikaw na may business, baka hindi mo pa na-maximize yan. So, baka hindi mo pa natatry yung ibang marketing strategies, yung ibang procedure strategies na dapat mong gawin. So, that's the 100%. And yung 10%, that's the tithes, of course. And the 20%, ito daw yung gagamitin natin for investment or something that will increase our income. And yung 70% is, ito yung natin, gagastusin. So, that's the, proposal ni Bo Sanchez to everyone of recommendation niya, 100, 10, 20, and 70. Okay? And the third is, this is my original, the 500 peso challenge. So, every payday, I challenge everyone to keep that 500 pesos. Kung meron kang 500 pesos ngayon, itago mo na yan, huwag kang muna magkape. Huwag kang muna mag-mall. So, paano ba gagawin yan? Every payday, mag-set aside ka ng 500 pesos. 500 pesos only. So, kung for a month, naka 2 beses kang sweldo, that's 15 and the 30th. So, that's 1,000 pesos. Okay? So, that's 1,000 pesos already. So, do the 500 challenge. Very easy. And the fourth is 10-10-10. Ano ba yung 10-10-10? So, 10% tithes, 10% savings, and 10% for your investment. So, the rest, you can spend it. It's very simple. And the fifth is, the fifth is, this one, I'm doing it right now. At I introduce it in one of my vlogs, yung My 4 Happiness. My 4 Happiness. Next is your needs for retirement. E is for enterprise or entrepreneur, S is to shop or the SM, and T is to travel. So, yan yung pwede kang mag-save sa apat na yan. It can be done using an envelope or it can be done using a jar. So, bahala kayo. In my case, meron akong apat na alkansya na ginawa. I bought it from Baguio City. So, right now, I'm saving for NEST. At marami na po nag-message sa atin ng mga delivers natin and now they are doing it. Okay? So, marami pa tayong formula on how to save money para medyo matatag ating buhay na hindi naman tayo nag-violate ng principle ng Bible. But I only gave the 5 doable things na pwede mong gawin kahit ikaw empleyado, kahit ikaw may sariling business, malaki man yan o maliit. Okay? So, thank you very much, Delivers. You can share this video sa mga friends natin na nahihirapan mag-save o hindi maintindihan o may confusion. So, pwede po natin silang tulungan. Okay? And if you need a speaker for a seminar for students, teachers, parents, and companies team building, just call me 0939-5254-311. And by the way, yung book natin, How to Embrace Transformation, is already available sa Amazon.com, sa Kindle, and in my website, changeforlifesuccess.com. Ayan, message nyo lang ako po to assist you kung paano tayo maka-avail sa book. So, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go!